Hello everyone, welcome to Zuber Vlogs. So today I have an interesting video. If you are into solar and if you are into indoor growing, then definitely this is something that you might be interested in. So let me show you my setup. So I have an setup of solar panels combined with grow lights and a battery which will power to grow my greens in the house. So let me show you my whole setup. So here I have a solar charge controller. So my solar power comes from my solar panels which were installed in the west window. Today it's a cloudy day, so I have less power coming to my solar panels. I also have an USB connected to power my CC camera. So you can see that there is a CC camera over there, and I'm using that solar power to charge my solar battery. This is a 12 volt 40 ampere battery. So from this battery I have an inverter connected. So this inverter is not a solar inverter, this is just an pure sine wave inverter. This will convert the DC into AC, which will be used to power my grow lights. So what I've done is that I have taken a power socket and I have connected that to my plug box, through which I have connected through an Alexa plug. So what this Alexa plug does is that it will help me to have a scheduled time of on and off my grow lights. So this way I will be able to have my grow lights turn on when there is enough sunlight to power my battery, so that I don't drain my battery completely and do not use it in the night time, and I have used it in a scheduled time when there is enough power from the solar panels which can charge my battery. So once it comes to that, I have a Flutronics grow lights. So here you can see there is a similar grow light that I have connected here. So this is a full spectrum grow light, and I have this full spectrum grow light. This is a 22 watt grow light, so it consumes less power compared to the other grow lights. And also I have different greens. I have I have methi, I have spinach, I have coriander that I'm growing in house. I have even harvested my methi recently. I do have one more batch which I can harvest. Also when I cut, it regrows from the same branches, and this is also ready to harvest, and this will take a couple of weeks to grow to the to the time where I can use it. So here what I have observed is that, so if you are planning to have a system like this, then it's better to have it operated with an Alexa plug, or if you are doing it manually, have it turn on in the daytime, so that it will have enough energy to power the grow lights for around 8 hours a day. And also what I do is that I do not fertilize this with an industrial fertilizer. Instead I use my fish tank water. So this is a natural fertilizer for the plants. So I have an organic greens that grows through this method, and this fish is being fed with brine shrimp. I do have a brine shrimp growing here. I do also have a few hatcheries of brine shrimp. If I get close to, you might be able to notice the baby brine shrimp. So I also have the baby guppies which were ready for to maintain that cycle. I do have a couple of other fish tanks which I keep my other fishes. I use the same water to have it for my other plants outdoor. So this is a simple setup, so it might cost you very less, and in places where you do not receive and you want to you receive much sunlight, but you want to maintain particular climatic conditions for your plants or for your the greens. So this method will help you to have to regularize the light that you can provide for the plants. So hope this video is helpful for you, Please do subscribe and like my video. It will help me to create further more like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.